Welcome home. So I hope you enjoyed that walk up the long driveway to this beautiful country home nestled in the heart of Inverness, Florida. And this is Florida country at its finest. You are going to absolutely fall in love with what I have to show you here. We're going to walk around this house and try to give you a nice tour here. Just take a look at right here in the foyer. We can see dining room, kitchen, living room, and to the left here we have the master primary bedroom suite. So we'll go in here first. I'll let you take a look at where your end of day relaxation and rest will happen. Beautiful window seat there to lay and read a book, just have some very nice downtime, quiet time, which I think we all need in these busy lifestyles we're leading. Great ensuite bathroom. All of the bathrooms in this house have been updated, so you'll find all nicely redone showers, tubs, countertops, all of it. So this shower has been tiled all the way up, ceiling included, and absolutely gorgeous. We've got another seat here in the bathroom, so a nice area to be able to get dressed, maybe do makeup. Just get yourself put together. Good walk-in closet. And you'll notice that there's these pocket doors separating the spaces. And over here we have a pocket door, and this is the office. What a great office. Built-in storage, bookshelves, really good space. Now this is a true 4-bedroom house plus the office. And then we also have an exciting large sunroom just off of this living room here. So we have the wood burning fireplace, which is lovely. You don't need it a lot in Florida, but it is a nice thing to have for some ambiance, especially in those winter months. Here's the guest hall. Take you down there in just a minute, but let's pop into the kitchen first. Kitchen as well, completely remodeled. Now as we're walking through, you notice that we are walking on these beautiful engineered hardwood floors. This kitchen is fully equipped, all of the appliances. We've got this beautiful steel backsplash there, absolutely gorgeous. And it is an eat-in kitchen, again with a nice bay window overlooking the property. I don't think I mentioned yet, but this is 2.81 acres. So you've got a lot of space to work with. Check out this pantry. This pantry has all of the right storage and accessibility. It's got the light that pops on as soon as you open it up. I mean, this is fully equipped. You can be very organized in this pantry. Now we will head down. I don't think I took you in the dining room yet, so let's do that first. And I want to show you these beautiful doors. There is so much beautiful woodworking in this house. So we have the actual wood door casings, wood frames, wood baseboards. I mean, you don't get that very often in Florida, so really special touch to this country home. So you can close your dining room off if you're entertaining and you don't want the kitchen exposed straight through the dining room. You have that option. We're going to go down the hallway now where we have 3 good-sized bedrooms. They have plush carpet, so very soft on your feet. And notice the pool views from the 2 back bedrooms. You look right out at that pool. If I was a child growing up in this home, I would have a really hard time going to sleep because I'd want to be in that pool all the time. So that might be a little bit of a challenge, but beautifully updated guest bathroom, tub shower combo, nice sink there. Lots of storage in this house as well. We've got a linen closet here. And this is the 3rd bedroom. Standard closet. Very good space. These are very, very spacious bedrooms. And the 4th bedroom, again with that beautiful pool view with the waterfall. One thing I do want to note too, both of these bedrooms that have the pool views have the walk-in closets. So you've got great storage in those closets, as well as great space in these bedrooms. So there's some surprises I want to show you outside. First, check out the solar tubes. So these tubes that we see throughout the house, they're on the hallway and also the living room. They actually provide natural light to the home, and you can have really good light without turning on your lights, your artificial lights. Nice little powder room there right off of the laundry room and kitchen. And then here's a great laundry room. The water heater was updated in 2017. The roof on this house is 2008, so it still has some good years left on it. And check out this huge sunroom. This is great space. Tons of windows overlooking the acreage, and look at that, we have water in the back. I don't know if you realize that when you pulled up, but yes, this home has water access to the Salapopka chain of lakes. You have a nice little lake out there that you can kayak, you can do some boating, you can fish. So there's a lot of great activities that can be had. Really big storage closet there. And as you came in, I'm sure you noticed the garage, the detached garage. That's 616 square feet of garage space. So more than a 2-car garage, which provides extra storage again. Beautiful pool deck, and this is a really good sized pool. I love that it has the stairs and that kind of relaxation step there. Beautiful tile work, great waterfall. And the pool deck is all tiled. This screen was just redone. So this house has been so well maintained. Anything and everything that's been needed has been done to it. It has been very well loved. And I've got some more surprises for you out here. So let's check out the yard. Again, 2.18 acres. We've got all of this space that we're walking through right now with these beautiful old oak trees that just create the most wonderful canopies of shade. This is an awesome little paddock setup. You can see the horse barn. It's a 2-stall barn. There were once horses that lived here. So if you wanted to have the horses, you can do it. And then beyond this is still more of this 2.81 acre property. Very natural, very beautiful. So you've got a lot of space to enjoy, to keep private, to garden, whatever you want to do on this space. And let me tell you, it is private. The only thing I hear are the sounds of nature. So here we have some storage for the kayaks and the boats. And then a nice little dock, just perfect for setting sail on the water. Fire pit here if you want to enjoy just sitting here by the water. And look at this. There's something about the glistening water that just is good for your soul. So again, lots of nature. You can get out there and enjoy this to your heart's content. If you wanted to build another dock, you certainly could do that. And then all this beautiful, beautiful land still to work with. So this is an incredible property. It brings to the table so much that people tend to look for, and especially when you're wanting to live the life in Florida, having access to the water, being able to have all the animals you want, no deed restrictions, no HOA fees. The house has some great upgrades and features, including there's solar panels over there on the horse barn that help to supplement the power to the house. That pool is huge. It's just incredible to me, everything that we have here. And this is Inverness, Florida. So this is our county seat for Citrus County. This is where all the excitement and action happens. There is nightlife here. We have a lot of different social gatherings down in downtown Inverness, which is not far. And yet you can be tucked back here in the country, just enjoying a quiet, peaceful life. So get involved as much as you want and have peace and tranquility as much as you want. And we just had the Suncoast expansion, so now we're just a hop, skip, and a jump to Tampa. So you are easy travel from the airport, and all of the attractions are within a very short commute, like Disney, Universal, all the shopping, all the restaurants. Great, great location here. So if you're interested in this property, please reach out. We would love to give you a private tour. You can reach the team at 352-794-1426. I'm Ruth Squires with eXp Realty and RES Luxury Group, bringing you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee. Give us a call, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel to stay tuned for future videos. Thank you.